Hattiesburg Clinic wants to help you prevent illness, and part of that includes eating a healthy diet and incorporating regular exercise into your lifestyle. Some things to consider when you're taking steps to improve your diet and exercise include making healthy food choices. What you eat really does matter. A healthy diet includes lean meat, eggs, and 5 servings of vegetables and fruit every day. Avoid sugar-sweetened beverages, which includes sodas, juices, Kool-Aid, and unfortunately, sweet tea. Read food labels. Learn to plan healthy meals. Don't supersize anything. Find foods that you enjoy that are healthy, and eat mindfully. I would suggest that you use a monitor with apps such as Lose It or MyFitnessPal. Monitoring is a key to success in making a lifestyle change. If you're not currently exercising, start slowly and build up to 30 minutes, 5 days a week. At Hattiesburg Clinic, we are committed to you. That means helping you try to prevent illness with proper diet and exercise. For additional information, please contact your primary care provider or contact us online.